Hello everyone. Massive amount of money from mainland China has flooded into Hong Kong stock market, driving up the Hang Seng Index. Judging from the sentiment and the new funds raised in China, I think the hot money is likely to continue for a while. But retail money takes a big part of the inflow. Among the funds, most of these are ETF or mutual fund, not much insurance or pension fund. In my opinion, this money comes in quickly and leaves quickly. What's important for the Hong Kong market is not the origin of the money, but its own fundamentals. The Hang Seng Index dropped near 1,000 points in 2020, the worst performer among the world's major stock exchanges. Hong Kong market is traded at 16 times PE, or the US at 25 times. China had a much better control over the pandemic, and its economy has largely recovered. Nowadays, at the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, over 80% of listed companies are originated from China. Over 80% of the earnings are made inside of China. Majority of demand for capital also comes from China. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, in essence, is an offshore Chinese stock market. The Hong Kong market has the best Chinese companies listed here, the strongest, most dynamic, most innovative Chinese companies are all listed here. I expect most Chinese companies listed in the US coming to Hong Kong in the coming years as well. This is a platform to demonstrate the economic performance of China. This is a market that benefits from the fruits of development in China. Hong Kong also has better regulatory environment and accounting standards, of course, more internationalized. There are some clear characteristics of the mainland money. First, it's ETF heavy. So concentration on heavily weighted index stocks is high. Second, they love the leading companies in the subsectors of hot industries with a strong consensus. And they tend to move in and out quickly. I think the mainland money will take increasingly large shares at Hong Kong Stock Exchange with rising influence. They're one of a few important forces at the market. It is an influential force, but probably not a dominating force. How big is this story? Well, I've seen this a couple of times before, in 2007 and 2015. My suggestion to the investors is do your own homework, stick to the fundamentals, and then go along with the flow.